Hey everyone, today let's see why a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab and not a minus b whole square. We'll see geometrically why it is so. Let us consider a square of side a minus b. If we add a length of b, the whole side of the square becomes a. Our requirement is to find a minus b whole square, which is the area of this square of side a minus b. To find this area, we'll take the total area and then subtract these portions from the total area. So what is the total area? This square is of side a, so the total area will be a square, and we'll subtract this rectangle which has length of a and width b. So the area of this rectangle becomes AB. And we also have one more rectangle with same length A and width B. So this area becomes AB. Since we have subtracted this portion, this shaded area twice, now we'll add this area. So this side is B. So the area of this square is B square. Hence it becomes A square minus 2AB plus B square. Happy learning!